Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go! We are showing you this modern house for sale located inside the secured subdivision here in Angeles City. This is near Landers and Marquee Mall. So let's check it out. This property is priced at 16 million pesos. It has a lot area of 150 square meters, floor area of 215 square meters, with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, semi-furnished with dipping pool and 2 carports. So as we can see, the facade of the house, very modern, mixture of white and gray tones. Very nice. This is your 2-car carport right here. And of course, your pedestrian gate and some greenery right here to my right. So let's enter. From the street level, we step up going to your front door. To my left, we have a pocket garden right here. Nandito rin yung mga AC natin, units, of course. Very nice. Konting refresh lang yan. Very perfect na yan. Of course, to my right is your 2-car carport. So, good space. Maganda rin yung height ng ceiling. Meron tayong provision for your outlets. And of course, your faucet is right there. Now, this is beautiful because parang nagbe-blend yung wooden design natin sa wall and yung wooden door natin. Smart lock. Welcome. Upon entry, meron tayong hallway dito leading to your main area. This is very nice because ang ganda ng layout niya. You have this beautiful island kitchen right here. Unahin na natin to. Very nice, U-shaped. You have your sink, your range hood, and your oven underneath. Of course, marami tayong storage under the counters and dito sa taas natin. You have this 2-door refrigerator. Very nice. Of course, and ito meron pa tayong provision for your pendant lights dito sa kitchen natin. It will be more beautiful. Now, this is the living area. Ang ganda rin because you have your very nice sofa, very comfy. Yan, umupo ako dyan kanina. You have this artwork right here. More seating area. You have your TV. Your air conditioning is installed. Maganda rin yung console natin because parang mixture siya ng marble design and wood design naman. Okay? Very nice. And my favorite part is the dining. Guys, ang ganda na itong dining table na to. Do you agree? Ang ganda, no? So, marble top siya. Wooden design. Plus, ang ganda rin ng upholstery natin. Neutral tones lang. And this beautiful centerpiece right here. Napakaganda. We have air conditioning and may double height ceiling tayo dito. Very nice chandelier, of course. And this one, disclaimer lang, kailangan nating i-refresh to, but it will be beautiful. Nakita ko na to nung una. We have this dipping pool right here. Of course, we have plants right here. And meron tayo ditong deck where you can sit and relax and lounge. After a day's work, di ba? Napakaganda dito. Okay? Na-imagine ko to. Pag afternoon, di ba? Nag-relax ka lang dyan. Okay? Now, eto guys, can be closed. Ayan. Ano siya? Sliding. Para if you need na i-close siya, pwede naman siya, or i-open para indoor-outdoor yung feels ng house natin. This door right here leads to the side of the house. Yan. Dito naman yung ating 2-car carport. Okay? Let's go back. On the ground floor, one more look. Dining, kitchen with bar stools, and of course, your living. On the ground floor, we have this bedroom. If you have elderly or gusto nyo ng office or guest room, meron tayong space dito facing the front of the house. We have air conditioning, of course, big window, good space, and yung kanyang toilet and bath is under the stairs. Okay? So, yeah. We have sink, toilet, and your shower. Okay, very nice. Itong ilalim ng stairs natin, pwede rin gawing storage to. If you need more storage, pwede i-enclose to. So you have a smart use of space. No? Now let's go up to the second floor. Wooden steps sa ating stairs. Metal and wooden handrails. Very bright. Upon landing, you have this space right here. This can be a family area. Ito yung overlooking dun sa ating dining area. Makikita natin. So, this can be a study for if you have kids, study area, or family area, TV area, whatever you need it for, pwede natin i-convert yan. Now, yan. Oh, yeah. Okay. We have a bedroom right here. Second bedroom natin to sa house. So, good space, big window for ventilation and natural light, air conditioning installed, and of course, it has its own toilet and bath. So, sink, toilet, and shower. With water heater na rin pala to, guys. No? Nakita ko may heaters yung mga toilets natin and shampoo niche. Okay. Cool. Onto the hallway. Very nice chandelier right there. This one is slightly bigger than the first one. Ito yung facing the front of the house. You have a nice space. You have cabinet right here for your clothes and outfits. Diba? And of course, your own toilet and bath right here. Sink, toilet, and shower. Once again, with heater na yan. Especially ngayon, guys, it's February, pero sobrang lamig, no? Kailangan natin ng heater. So, can you comment down below kung tingin nyo naligo ba ako? Hindi. Malamig kasi, guys. Okay, master bedroom. Guys, ito napakaganda, oh. Upon entry, makikita mo agad, you have a big bed right here. Ang ganda rin ng choice ng ating headboard, guys. We have this bed right here. You have your TV console. And ang ganda ng detalye sa wall. Para siyang native na na mga furniture, pero parang laser cut siya. Then we have this TV and your console. Tapos you have a sliding door dito that leads to your wrap-around balcony. Ang presko. Okay? Sunny, it's almost 10 in the morning. The sun is up, pero ang lamig ngayon dito. Yan. Wrap-around siya hanggang dito sa gilid. Diba? So, if you need to relax after a day's work, pwede dito. Diba? Very nice. And may I just point out, guys, that yung flooring natin dito sa second floor is wooden design, pero tiles siya. So, it's easier to maintain. Tapos, napaganda pa siya nitong carpeting natin dito. Very nice. Okay. Now, this is your master bathroom. Upon entry, you have tons of closet space right here. Meron tayo dito. Pasok. Yan. Dito. Tapos ito can be opened. You have shelves sa taas. Diba? Ayan ito. More storage dito. Then, this side is your sink. You have your toilet right here. And of course, your enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Ayan, enclosed siya para ma-reduce natin yung mga splatter ng water, di ba? And what I appreciate is we have natural light coming in from this window right here. And also, it can be opened for ventilation. Yan, pumapasok na yung hangin natin. Really, really nice, no? Now let's go down for the recap. This property is priced at 16 million pesos. It has a lot area of 150 square meters, floor area of 215 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, semi-furnished with dipping pool and 2 carports.